Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Am I audible to you? I am fine. How are you? How are you, everyone? Zareen? Okay. So, in hope you all saw those videos about project, and that is about the EVS project. Previous online classes in your science class, I discussed with you the science project, and hope you all understand this, that what thing you have to do. Sorry. And now on today I will discuss again your EVS project. Hope you all saw these videos. That's what you have to do. That is the leaves on scrapbook, right? Leaves on scrapbook. That is your project. Leaves on scrapbook. So first of all, you have to take one one copy book which have 10 to 12 page copybook, not so thick, okay, it's too thin as the 10 to 12 page they have. If you have this, you can use this. If you don't have this, you can buy it. So 10 to 12 page of copy book. It's a little bit short also. You can take long, and you can, if you take the small size copy book, it will be better to handle, right? So you can buy the small size copy book which have 10 to 12 page. No, Zareen, not A4 size page. You can use this A4 size page on this science project. Okay, science project which is making a shell boat. That project you can use this A4 size page, but not here. You have just take in your EVS project just small copy book, small and thin, which have only 10 to 12 pages. That's that thin copy book. Okay. Okay. And next, you have to collect different types of leaves from different plants. Collect, you can write it in your copybook, these points. Collect different leaves different leaves from different plant. Okay, hope you understand it, that you have to take one hibiscus, one rose leaf, one mango leaf, one tulsi leaf, neem leaf. So that type of any leaf which you can collect. Okay, is any one, any 10. So you have to collect only 10 different leaves from different plant, and its count is 10. Okay. And the next, you know that if you have to take your copy book like that, and this 10 to 12 page copy book, and you have to paste the right side of your copy book. Okay, right side of your copy book, and you have to write its name, like here is the some things that that is the leaf. Okay, that is the leaf. So you have to collect one leaf, then you have to paste on your copybook of right side of copybook. Then under it you have to write its name. That is it hibiscus, is it rose, is it mango. So this thing you have to write here, its name. Okay, have you understand it? If any problem you can ask me now, or you can ask me later on the chat box of ePortal also. But one thing that I told you already, that don't pick those leaves from tree. You have to collect which is already fallen on the ground, right? And you have to share these things. You have the many leaves of one. Somehow you have 10 hibiscus leaf. So you can share this leaf with your friends also. If your friends cannot collect, then you can share it. You already learned about it. Mahian copybooks is copybooks. When you go to the shop, or if you have, that is copybook, but the name, that is the name. Okay, that is the name is lives on scrapbook, just name. And as you have, that is your copybook as example, and over it you can decorate your this copybook. Okay, you can decorate it, you can color it, and but you have to write name, your name, this name of this subject of project, your class, you have to mention on it, you know. No, it's not a problem, Zareen. You can collect those leaves, and you can if it's dry, it will be dry, that should be no problem. Okay, and you can paste it after dry also, it will be better. You can paste it after dry, but you have to collect this, right? But there is no time limit, not hurry up, but you can try to collect those things, collect those leaves. It's not a problem. Okay, everyone, so hope you all understand it. Any questions? That's your project, from your project. Debayon, you can take the copy book which have 10 to 12 pages, not very much thick. It's thin copy book. Okay. Not Mahian, not that. You can take all white page, like math copy book, all are white page. You can take this also. Not mention anything. You can take any types of copy book which have 12 pages. Okay. Rishan, first of all, you have to do this. And when you when school give time, that time you have to deposit or anything. But I will tell you later. Okay, you will get information about it after some days or after some week. But you can, you and everyone can start this. You collect of these leaves. First you have to collect those leaves, right, from the ground. Obviously don't pick up, because they also living being, get hurt too. So you can start up those, collect those leaves.
Ma'am, page number.
Who are talking?
Ma'am, page number.
Which page number? I am now discussed on project, right? Then there is no page number of this. And mute your microphone. Don't unmute it. So hope you all understand it. Have you any questions from it? Any questions about project? Okay. Okay, very good. So yesterday on your offline class we discussed on Guru Purab and Eid. right? We discussed Guru Purab and Eid. So now open the page number 65. Page number 65. So in this, let's celebrate. In this chapter we already discussed about the Christmas, and today is 23rd, and after one day you will get this Christmas, right? And you already learned about it, that what is Christmas, why we celebrate it. So hope you all remember. Now open the page number 65, and that is about national days. That is about national days. Okay? So, see, some days are special for the whole country. Some days are special for the whole country, because you know that is national holiday. We can call it national holiday, and we celebrate that time. We celebrate it if we come to school. Other things we celebrate in our home also. So that is national days, national holidays also. In India, we celebrate 3 national days. So in India, as our country is India, and we celebrate 3 national days. So first of all is Republic Day. First is Republic Day, right? So when we celebrate this Republic Day, it's celebrated on 26th January. It's celebrated on 26th January. Okay. So you have to remember that which day is we celebrated and why we celebrated. So this is the day when India become republic. When India become republic. So that's why that day we called Republic Day. We call it Republic Day. So India on that day, on 26th January, India became republic. That means that for all, for not only one, for all. So that is Republic Day. Next is the Independence Day. Yes, the Bayon, it's 26th January. And next is the Independence Day. Independence Day. And that is on, 15th August. That is on 15th August. Right? So first of all, the 26th January is Republic Day, but 15th August is Independence Day. Independence Day, on that day, our country become free from British rule. Before that, British ruled on up. So that day, some fighters, they are loves our country, and they fight for us and fight for India to become independent. So for those people, we salute them, right? On that day, we salute those great people, the great human. We salute that on this Independence Day, which we celebrated on 15th August. And that day, India become free from British rule and India become independence. So that's why we called this day Independence Day. Hope you all understand it. And the next one is the Gandhi Jayanti. This is about the day when our great leader Gandhiji was born, and you all celebrated, right? Just before before this day, and this on 2nd October. On that day, the 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, we all gave a notice of you, right, on your reporter. So that day you celebrated some of you sing a song. So that Gandhi Jayanti we celebrated on 2nd Gandhi Jayanti. That is on 2nd October. 2nd October. And that day our great leader Gandhiji was born. So that is about the national days. There is a one question, why do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? This is your homework. Okay, you have to write this answer on your EVS copybook. So as just I told you about it, and you have to answer me on the next class. Okay, so why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? Here you see the pictures, Republic Day, Independence Day, and here is Gandhi Jayanti. That time we celebrated on those national holidays or national days, and behind that there is also reason for celebration this. That first one is Republic Day. On that day, as 26th January, we celebrated Republic Day because that day India became Republic. Second one is the Independence Day. That day we celebrated because India became free from British rules, from British rulers. So that day as we independent, that's why we celebrated Independence Day on 15th August. 15th August. And the Gandhi Jayanti, that day our great leader, who is also a fighter to become free our country from British rule, he is also a great fighter, and that's why we remember him, and we celebrated when he was born on 2nd October. 2nd October. Okay. So that day we celebrated the Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, Debayun. Yes, Kaustav is father of nation also. And yes, Deban, we recall our great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji on 2nd October. Okay. And the next class we we discussed about the special days, as we already completed this part. Okay, but special days I just discussed now. We celebrate some special days like birthdays, wedding with our family and friends. As you know that we celebrated those days with our family and friends, as this is holiday like, and we get a lot of fun. So on that day, the wedding days, on birthdays and any other kinds of parties, we celebrated it. So there are parties we sing and dance. That day we all sing and we all dance together. So that's why that is a special day. That is a special day. And there is also birthday, wedding day, anniversary day, various kinds of day we celebrated with our family and friends. And nowadays we go to picnic with our family and friends also, right? That is also a special day because that is we celebrated like holiday. So here we completed this chapter. Let's celebrate today. And I gave a homework that why we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, you have to write on your copy book. And the next page, at page number 66, this is the picture of Chinnu's birthday party. And you can color it at page number 66, which is already drawn here. And you have to just color this picture. Okay. So hope you all understand it, that what you have to do. And I discuss on project also again. So have you any problem from this chapter? If you can't understand, you can ask me now. Okay. Okay everyone, so your class is over and have a nice day. And now don't cut this call, just write here P as like attendance. Have to take your attendance, right? Okay.